My goodness, that is absolutely brilliant. Showcase AI. This is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. And when I say it's a game changer, it is unbelievable. So I'll share with you the members area and the pricing and all of the good stuff. But first, let's talk about what is it? Because there's loads of these different softwares going around, and I've been using this over on TikTok and Amazon. So let's just run it down really quickly and then we'll talk about it, okay? And I'll show it. So what is it? So basically, Showcase AI, it's an all-in-one powered video creation platform. And how it works is it takes simple photos or product images and it makes complete videos for you. And I'll show you some of the videos and then I'll show you how simple this is. But what you can do inside of here, okay, you can do talking avatar videos like this. So from a simple image, it'll do a video for you. We've got this is brilliant. Product avatar videos. I've been testing this over on TikTok. And you can create all of this inside of the software. Literally the whole thing. The character, the talking video, the voiceover, and loads more. There's product showcase videos in here. Works in the same way. So upload an image, it'll do a video for you. You've even got AI ad videos. You've got virtual. I mean, this, if you're doing Pinterest marketing, this works absolutely brilliant as well. If you're working with brands, again, you can do this. Come down here, we've got an AI voice clone and we've got loads more. So let me show you the inside of the software, okay? So this is one what I have been working on. Let me go over here. So this is how it looks when you log in, okay? So on the left-hand side, you've got lots going on, as you can see. But this is the dashboard. This is where you're going to be spending most of your time. So up here, you can see you've got product showcase videos. You've got product avatar videos. We've got AI ads. We've got fashion videos and we've also got the talking avatar. There's also as well, which is a really good little feature, is the video editor where you can put all of these little videos that you've been working on together so you can make them longer, okay? And let me show you my projects and I'll show you how this works, okay? So for example, this over here, this is a product over on TikTok Shop and you can earn a commission if somebody buys the product. Now, you can use this software for TikTok Shop. You can use it on Amazon affiliates. You can do this if you have your own product that you're selling, if you're a local business. There's loads of ways you can be using this to earn online. So this product over here, we've been doing this on TikTok. It pays £1.80 per sale, so it's pretty decent. And then you can see over here, we have had the software create these AI avatars talking about the actual product. It's bloody brilliant, it really is. So in fact, let me see if I can show you one, okay? So let me click on here and I'll turn up my sound so you can hear it. And this whole thing took less than a minute. Sounds ridiculous, but I'm going to show you it in a second, okay? So let's click on here.
I'm telling you now, men have to smell good. If he's wearing this, I've already noticed.
Brilliant.
I'm telling you
And it
now,
literally
men
takes a
have
few
to.
minutes. Let me show you the process and how this works, okay? And look, by the way, if you want to check this out further at any point during the video, there'll be a link. It'll take you over to my website where we cover the pricing, the bonuses and other bits. But let's look at the actual software, okay? So when you come in here, you've got a demo for every single one. So if you click on here, it will open up and I'll show you now. So if you click on here, it takes you over to YouTube and it shows you the actual training for it. Each one of the trainings is short. You can see this one over here, it's only 6 minutes, okay? So let's say we wanted to create a product video, okay? So I'm going to click on create now. And it's genuinely straightforward and simple, okay? So you can see these are the two that I've been playing around with. So on the left-hand side over here, they've got all of these built-in avatars. Now you can even upload your own avatar, an image of yourself, or you can use some of the ones that they've got built in. There's hundreds, by the way. Absolutely loads of them. So we're just going to find anyone for this example video, okay? And as you can see, I mean, there's loads and loads of these. I mean, that would be pretty cool for an aftershave, maybe. Let's go with. I'm gonna go with a female. Let's go with this one. So I'm gonna click on here. And just remember, this is a template, okay? And it's already got the prompt in here done for you. So you can see down here, look, avatar holds a product from reference image. It gives you all of the prompts. Now you can change it if you want, but I haven't, I've just left it. Then we've got product type, okay? So in here, I'm just gonna type in aftershave. And then I need to upload the image of the product. So you can see here they're holding the product. So we're going to need this lady over here, or this AI lady, to be holding the product. They've got other samples in here you can use if you really want, but we want to make money. So I'm going to scroll down here and we'll go to this one over here. That's the product, okay? Then I'm going to click on here. And now this is step one in the process. So what it's going to do is it's going to create the image of the avatar over here holding the bottle of aftershave. And you can see these are the ones that we've done previously. Once it's done this, once it's generated the image, we then go to generate a video, and that is where you can do the voiceover, and you've got loads more options for customizing this. Now with the voices, there is literally hundreds in loads of different languages as well. So you can see this is it done. So I'm going to click on generate video. Now in here you have a few options. So you've got the script, you've got the audio, and you've got record audio. You can even get the AI writer to do the script for you, okay? And then this over here is the voice. Upload audio exactly how it sounds, or you can record your own voice over the top of it. Now in terms of the script, you can put in basically anything you want the person to say in here, or you can have it done over here like this. And what happens here is you've got the AI writer, so you've got the type of content it is. So is this user generated content? Is the product problem solving, etc. Okay, or you can literally just type in the product and the brand name and it'll do it for you. Okay, but for me all I'm doing is I'm just getting ChatGPT to give me the little prompt. Okay, so you can see over here, look, this is it. So I'm just going to paste this in. Okay, like so. I'm going to come over here and this is what the avatar is going to say for us. That's part one, part two, and then part three, like this. I'm going to paste it into there. Then we've got the voice over here. Now with this, you've got a few little things to choose from and then you're done. But as you can see, this process, it's not difficult. It's not time consuming. It's really straightforward and simple. So we've got all of our different languages in here, okay? So let's just go with English US. Then we've got our gender. We've got female. You've even got use case in here. So what do you want it to be? We've got the video style. And then we've got the age, okay? So I'm going to go with young adult. So we're going with a female, young adult speaking this language over here. Click on filter, takes a second. And as you can see, we've got all of these specific young adult female voices, okay? And to hear any of them, you just simply press it.
Hi, my name is Carly.
And you've got loads.
Hi. Hi.
I'm going to go Carly. Let's go with that one. Click on confirm. And then you can even preview it. So I'm going to click on generate audio. Again, it literally takes seconds. Then it's done our scripts down here. So I'm going to click on play.
Men need to smell good. That's just how it is. And if he's wearing this, I already know.
Brilliant. So I'm going to click on render video. That is it. That is the process done. And then it's generated. So then this video and all of these individual videos over here, I can just download them and I can upload them onto TikTok, Amazon, Pinterest. There's loads of different platforms I can put them on. There's also as well, which is a cool little feature, they've got a video editor in here where you can basically clip all of these together. So traditionally, when we were doing this method before, we'd use Nano Banana for the image. We'd then take the image over to Kling. Once we've got it on Kling, we'd then sometimes go over to Google VO3. Whereas this, it just brings it all together. And also as well with the other method, once we've used Nano Banana, Kling, VO, we then need to take all of the videos and put them into CapCut. We can just do all of this in here. It just saves so much time. Now, whilst that's generating, I'll show you some of the other cool little features in here. So you've got your video editor, you've got your avatar studio, you've got the image studio, you've got text to speech, you can voice clone in here. There's even a scheduler, so you can connect this over to your social media accounts like Facebook, YouTube, etc. Even Pinterest is in there. And then you can schedule out on here. There's a built-in calendar. If I scroll further on the page here, you can even have a client's portal on here. Then there's the two different bonuses. Now these are all delivered inside of the members area. So if I click on bonuses, you can see, look, this is the first one. There's the Android mobile app. So there's a mobile app, so you can be doing work like this on the go. We've then got the captions mobile app. Come down here, we have got the avatars pack. We have got the pre-made video templates. We've got the pre-made additional templates. And then if I scroll further down the page and click on exclusive bonuses, there's one up here, I'll show you, it's really good. They've got image prompt packs. So in here, you click on get access, it opens up in a new tab for you, and it gives you the full prompts for your images and stuff. So you can see here, this here, highlighted in blue, is a full prompt. And there's over 500 of those prompts in there. You can just use them straight inside of the software. You've got a video prompts pack, you've got the image editor, the sales copywriter, and also this over here, which is an email builder web application. So you're getting loads and loads of stuff inside of here. Why I like it is, as you've seen, the process of creating these videos is incredibly smooth. It's simple and it doesn't take long. And with regards to monetizing this, there's so many ways you can be doing this, whether it's your own products, whether it's an affiliate product, whether you're working with local companies, local businesses, even a business that you run yourself, you could be using this. And as you can see over here, you've got these are the different options with regards to this. Let's go and see if that video is done. So there it is, that is the video done. So once your videos are done over here, you've got a couple of options. You can view it, you can download it, or you can delete it. Let's click on it. And let's scroll down here. So let's click on play and see how good this looks.
Men need to smell good. That's just how it is. And if he's wearing this, I already know. Men need.
Hopefully you can see that there might be a bit of a lag because I'm recording over the top of it. But overall, as you can see, these videos, they look good, they sound good.
I'm telling you now, men have to smell good. If he's wearing this, I've already noticed. I'm telling
Really good. So look, if you want to check this out, there'll be a link to it down below. It'll take you over to my website. On the website, we cover the pricing of this, additional bonuses, and loads more. As always, with any of the upgrades on this, you don't need them. There's a front end. The front end is this, what you're seeing on here. They do have a pro version, but again, I've spoke about all of this on the website and the pricing and what you need and what you don't need, okay? The front end of this product works incredibly well. So even if you're just going to pick up the front end, it'll save you a lot of time, a lot of effort, and overall, it's a great piece of software that I recommend. And one last thing, I nearly forgot to mention it to you. I've just finished updating this over on the website, so hopefully this will, yes, it will. So here, this is the price for the front end, okay? It will normally cost you $47, but if you use this code, SHOW10, you will actually get $10 off. So you'll get the software and the training, and it'll cost you $37 here. The is, as I mentioned, the is upgrade. So the Pro Edition, it's 67, and basically it gives you 200 more credits, and then there's additional templates. And as mentioned, all of the other options are on here. There's an agency option. Do you need it? No. Does it make a difference? Not really. If if you don't have an agency, why bother with it? And then you can have a look at the other ones on here, okay? But that is Showcase AI. Overall, a great little piece of software. It works incredibly well. And overall, we're going to start using this now to be pumping out more TikTok affiliate videos specifically on aftershaves and perfumes, just because normally we wouldn't be able to do it. But now with this, it's going to be a game changer.